Hey everyone, so today's lesson will be on adding with different signs. So by the end of this video, you should have a better idea of how to add a positive and a negative number using the chip model and a number line, okay? So let's start off with the chip model. And here, let's say that these are my negatives and that these right here are my positive chips. So I have 1, 2, 3 negatives for my -3, and I'm adding 1, 2 positives. Okay? So what we do here is we want to find our zero pairs. And there'll be a video about zero pairs right there if you need a review on zero pairs. Okay? So zero pairs, I want to find them. Okay, and this is going to equal 0. And I want to put a dash through it so that I know that it's 0 and not a chip. Okay, because a negative plus a positive is 0, and a negative plus a positive is 0. And the reason it's 0 is because -1 and +1 is our additive inverses. Okay, so what am I left over with? I have one negative chip. So that means that this is going to equal -1. Okay, that's my answer, just -1. Okay, when I'm doing the number line, it's going to be a little bit different, but it's almost the same idea. We want to just represent it on a number line. Okay, so I'm starting with -3, so I'm going to draw my number line. Here's my 0. Okay, put a dash through it. Let me use a different color, because I know some of you can't see that. So I'm going to use black instead. And I start with that -3. So 1, 2, 3. So the first thing I want to do is just travel 3 spaces in the negative direction. Okay. So I get to -3, and then we're going to add, circle my operation, these 2. They're positive, so I have to go in the opposite direction. So I'm going to go over 2 spaces. 1, 2. And where I land is my answer again. So this is equal to -1. Okay? So number line, chip, they're both essentially giving us some 0 pairs there and 0 pairs here. So with the line, it's where do I land? With the chip is what do I have left over after I take my 0 pairs away. Okay?